Okay, so to recommend to install the safety stop test lanes, first of all, depending on which or where the installation is, we recommend that you wear safety vests, safety boots. You will need some ear protection, safety glasses, preferably a mouth guard, and also some gloves. That's your safety aspect to it. Tools, we're showing you here. So the basic tools you will need is certainly you will need a good hammer drill with a 12 mil and a 6.5 mil hammer drill bit. We will need an 8 mil, a 6 mil and a 5 mil Allen key. We prefer to use little drill bits like that to adjust to tighten the bolts with, but you can also do it manually. You will need a 15 millimeter and 18 millimeter long shank socket, and again obviously a ratchet with it. You will need an 18 millimeter spanner, and we recommend a little adjustable spanner as well. You will need a hammer, you will need a tape measure, you will need a Stanley knife, you will need a shocking gun, and we also prefer that you have a little crowbar. Some tape, we use 100-mile-an-hour tape, and also a good marker. And then, depending on installation, the one that we're going to show you today, we'll have the cables what we call in-ground. For this, we use a specially designed little concrete saw that actually has two blades and makes a cut 6 millimeter wide and 20 millimeter deep. But of course, you can use any concrete saw to do that cut. But there will also be an above ground version for cables available. Last but not least, have a wet and dry vacuum cleaner ready for you, and you might need an extension cord. That's all the tools you will need to install the safety stop. Okay, the safety stop machine will be dispatched and delivered to you as such. So what we've got here is you have a printer on the side, you have the control cabinet, all the electronics and computer will be inside here. And in this box is all the tub section and everything that goes on the ground. So when we open the cabinet, what we find in here is, we find in here the bucket with the scraper to mix up the concrete, and you also find the open-ended conduit. Opening the box, in here the first thing you will find is all the signs and a TV stand. Again, please put that aside for the moment into a secure position. We won't need that right now. So now you will see this, now you can see the actual tub section that is needed to install the tubs. So all the nuts, bolts, dyno bolts are all marked in here. So please lay them out somewhere near the machine, but not so they are in your way. And you can see they're all marked what they are actually for and how many each items is in there.